All right, so for reading today, we are going to look at Wednesday, and we are looking at our Life Skills Reader Packet titled Doors, and it's going to be pages 8 through 13. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and quick read it, and then you are going to be answering a few questions. So let's go down to our packet and look for page 8, Doors. So here it is. So right here, let's go ahead and start reading. Many large buildings have automatic doors that open before you touch them. Some doors open when you pull them sideways. Do not play around automatic doors because you could get injured. Some doors have buttons that people in wheelchairs can push to open automatically. So this button helps people that are in wheelchairs to open the door by itself. When you open a glass door, use the handle to push it open. So when you're using a door, you use a handle to push it open. Most of them have the push sign, guys. It is important to know how to get out of buildings if there's a fire. So look for a door with a sign that says exit and go outside. Most exit signs are bright red so that you can see them easily. So whenever you go to the store, guys, or to the movies, you'll always see this sign. This is your emergency exit. So if something were to happen, the building was on fire, you always look for this sign. This is going to be your way out of the building. Some doors are used only when there is an emergency. If you open these doors, you will hear an alarm. So this is the alarm, guys. So sometimes you're not even supposed to touch these. You only use this for an emergency. Never ever touch these unless there's an emergency like a fire or something chaotic where you need to use that handle. Many buildings have revolving doors. These revolving doors, I know you guys have seen them probably at hotels. You can see them at stores as well. To use a revolving door, push on the door handle and keep walking until you get through. So when you're in a revolving door, guys, you push the handle and you go follow the door. It's like if you're following the door all the way until you get inside. It is important to know how to use different kinds of doors. So it's important, guys, because whenever you encounter these doors, you don't want to be confused. So you have one that pushes, you have one that you have to follow the door all the way until you go inside. There's another one that has a button that automatically opens by itself. So now let's go ahead and answer these questions 1 through 5. I will read them to you and you will answer them on a piece of paper, on your packet or on a piece of paper if you don't have the packet. So number 1, doors that open before you touch them are A, revolving doors, B, manual doors, or C, automatic doors. Number 2, doors that have alarms on them are automatic doors, emergency doors, revolving doors. Directions. Write the word to complete the sentence. To go out of a building, look for a sign that says, and our challenge question. What is the safety tip about automatic doors? Give me your best answer. And what kind of door does your school have? So think about the doors that we have at school, guys. Or do they push or do they open by themselves? Answer it to the best of your ability, and then once you are done, submit a picture to your teacher with completed work. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to call or text. Good luck!